mind fully awake, body unable to move. This is the symptom of locked-in syndrome, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, and quadriplegia, where eye movement becomes the vital link to the world.
Our team has a solution. We focus on usability and restoring user autonomy. We create the intuitive eye tracking interface. We integrate with various smart home IoT devices. We tailor for users with limited mobility. We improve independence and quality of life. The awakening Irisync activated.
Simple gaze control. Looking at the button activates the Turn On Lights command. Turning off the lights through eye gaze, featuring command validation for accuracy. Looking at the button activates the Turn On Air Conditioner command. The Irisync interface, paired with the Tobii 4C eye tracker, capturing gaze for system input. The simple GUI allows for easy and intuitive eye gaze control. Day and night modes. Adjust the interface brightness, reducing eye strain for user. Cross-platform access. The web-based GUI allows usability across various devices and operating systems. Irisync. Let your eyes do the talking. Sync with your surrounding. Sync with friends. Irisync. Your eyes, your voice, your freedom.